Welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about NIO. NIO stock price has shot up again in the last few days, and you guys might be wondering why it's rising so fast in price. And it has gone up around 13% before a little drop happened, and there's been lots of news that has been driving up the price. And NIO is actually buying back shares in NIO China. They also signed a strategic partnership with a company in China, and there's also more news about the plan to enter European and US market. Before we get into everything, please like and subscribe if you do enjoy this video. I also want to thank you guys for 50 subscribers, and hopefully we can reach 100 subscribers soon. Let's look at NIO stock price. Right now it's around $60. It was $58 just a few days ago, and then the price went up 13% this week before dropping a little bit back down. That's why I'm telling everyone to buy the dips. If you believe in NIO, you should buy the stock during its dips. There has been many times this month where the stock has dropped and dipped below 10% or more, and every dip is a buying opportunity, especially when there is no good news driving the stock price back up. That is when the stock is undervalued only for a day or two before going back up. An example is that if you bought the stock at $55 and sold it at $62, in this process you would be making money from the dips, and you can just invest back in when there is good news. In this way you can make a lot of money and keep the stock long term. I would recommend only buying during the dips if there isn't much good news. Let's see why the stock went up in price. One reason is that NIO is buying back shares of its own company. NIO has gained a lot of capital since August, and NIO will spend 5.5 billion yen or $850 million to buy back 3.3% of NIO China from two investors. After this, NIO will own more than 90% of NIO China, and NIO China is really important to NIO right now because it is most of NIO's business right now. I also wanted to keep you guys up to date with important dates for NIO, and another important date for NIO is March 1. They'll be announcing their earnings on March 1, and they will have it announced after the US market closes on Monday, March 1, and NIO will also have a conference call that day. March 1 is expected to be a green day for NIO, and the price will probably increase about 5 to 10% just that day. If you do not have any shares of NIO till now, then I would recommend you guys to buy shares before the earnings in March. Another major news that could be driving up the share price of NIO is that they are planning to sell in America a lot sooner than expected. A bank analysis actually found a job posting on LinkedIn that was related to NIO. It was about a business plan to expand to the US market. The posting has been closed, but the analysis said that they were looking for someone to formulate an action plan to enter the US market. I actually took a screenshot of the tweet where you can see the job responsibilities and requirements NIO is looking for. They need someone in America to help lead them inside the US market. We already know that NIO is planning on entering Europe by the end of 2021, and since XPeng, one of NIO's competitors, has already begun selling cars in Norway, one way NIO can get ahead of XPeng is by selling cars in the US before XPeng arrives there. This news came out just a few days ago, but this is huge, about NIO's partnership with Macalline. NIO has signed a strategic partnership with Macalline, and Macalline is the largest home mall in China, and it has expanded over 180 cities. The reason for this partnership is to build EV charging and also battery swap stations all across China. The number that we have been told is about 60 charging and battery swap stations will be built in 2021. Overall, NIO has been doing very well. There hasn't been many huge spikes since NIO Day or the earning day that happened in January. The stock will probably keep going up and down until March 1 when the earnings will come out. There will most likely be a huge spike if NIO's earnings did well. This is all the information I have for you guys today. If you did make it till the end of this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.